Good morning, student. Today we will start the chemical kinetics. In chemical kinetics, we will learn the chemical reactions, elementary and complex reactions, rate of a chemical reaction, rate law and rate constant, molecularity of reaction, order of reaction, then differential and integral forms of reaction, methods of determination of order of reaction, effect of temperature on rate of reaction, and theories of rate of reaction. So in introduction, first see the chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are already we are familiar with the reactions, but when one or more substances undergoes such a changes which results in the formation of new products, it means the reactant it changes to product, then it will be the chemical reaction. And composition and properties will be different for the product than the reactant. That will be the chemical change or chemical reaction. Chemical reactions involves the breaking and formation of bonds. Therefore, different bonds require the different amount of energy for breaking, and different amount of energy is evolved during the bond formation. Thus, the rate of the different reactions are different. The types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. First type of the chemical reaction is a instantaneous or the fast reaction. First type of the chemical reaction is instantaneous or fast reaction. These are in fact very fast reaction, and it is practically impossible to measure the speed of such reactions. Typically example of such reactions includes the ionic reaction. Some ionic reactions. Organic substitution reaction. Explosive reaction. Of oxygen with hydrogen and hydrocarbon. These are the example of instantaneous or fast reaction. We can't measure the speed of such reactions. Second kind of reaction is the extremely slow reaction. Second kind of reaction is extremely slow reaction. Such a reactions proceed at a very slow speed. Proceed at very slow speed. And here the speed is so slow that again it is not possible to measure the speed of such reactions. For example, rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. And the third kind of reaction is the moderately slow reaction. Moderately slow reactions. Reactions belonging to third category, that is the moderate speed reactions, are utilized in the study of chemical kinetics. Utilized in the study of chemical kinetics. For example, inversion of cane sugar and hydrolysis of starch. For example, hydrolysis of starch or the inversion of cane sugar are the common example of this type of the reaction. Now again, next category of the chemical reaction as the elementary or the complex reaction. Second kind of reaction is like the elementary and complex reaction. Elementary or the simple reaction is also called as the simple reaction. Simple reactions The reaction taking place in one step. The reaction taking place in one step, it is called as the elementary or the simple reaction. Place in one step. It is an elementary reaction. Second is the complex reaction. The complex reactions which do not take place in one step are called the complex reactions. These are the reactions in which all the atoms, ions or molecules are represented in the balanced chemical reactions may not come together in a one step to collide simultaneously to use the product. For example, the chemical reactions like the 5-bromide aqueous plus BrO3 minus aqueous plus 6H plus aqueous, that gives thrice Br2 aqueous plus thrice H2O liquid. It is impossible for all the 12 ions of the reactant, that is this 5 bromide, 1 bromide and 6H plus, to come together simultaneously to collide. Such reactions are called the complex reaction. Such reactions takes place in a sequence of the number of steps. Each of these step reaction is called an elementary reaction. So whatever the steps involved in this complex reaction, each steps involves the elementary reaction. Molecularity is defined only for an elementary reaction, not for the complex reaction. Molecularity is defined only for an elementary reaction, not for the complex reaction. For the complex reaction, different steps of the complex reaction are also elementary reaction. Different forms of the complex or the different steps of complex reaction are also elementary reaction. So we can calculate the molecularity for each elementary reaction. Then what is the chemical kinetics? So what is the chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is that branch of the science which deals with the speed or the rate of chemical reactions, the factors affecting the rate of reactions and the mechanism by which the reaction is proceed. See the definition. The chemical kinetics is that branch of science which deals with the speeds or the rate of chemical reactions the factors affecting the rate of reactions is also studied in the chemical kinetics, and the mechanism by which reactions proceed. This is the chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is that branch of the science which deals with the speed or the rate of chemical reactions, the factors affecting the rate of reactions, and the mechanism by which the reaction proceed. So in next lecture we will see the rate of chemical reaction. Thank you.